Good morning or welcome to another Trader View update. Hope you all had a good weekend. Had some price stability over the weekend, which was good. It's always interesting whenever you fear the worst, and I got a couple of messages coming through the weekend saying, is Bitcoin dropping to $3,000 to $5,000? There's always that extreme narrative which people pay the most attention to, yet the reality is a lot of the time price movements tend to be a little bit more, not boring, but a little less extreme. If we look at the chart, first thing that we can see is that on the daily basis, the 31K support area held really nicely. And both Saturday and Sunday were in fact green candles for Bitcoin, which is a promising sign. That fight to get below the 31 to 30K area of support continues, but we live to fight another day for now. A quick look at it. Here we've got that overall supporting level that we keep talking about, I keep mentioning. And on a more macro level, the one level of, or something that's helping support prices right now is the 50-week moving average. So if we look at the weekly chart, take the 50-week moving average, we're right on the price level almost, and you can see how in the past when there's been previous corrections, it's bounced off the 50-week here and rallied. Had another cycle, it bounced off the 50-week, well, it hung around there for a couple of weeks, and then it rallied again. So this has been the kind of first real test whenever a correction has taken place. And should history repeat itself, we might see some more relief to the upside. Back onto the 1-day graph, when we look at the resistance areas, we've still got this downward trending line, still playing around with it and looking to break through. Further to the upside, I'm still looking at the 34K area resistance level. Then I'm looking at the 36 to 37 area. I should actually say between the 34 and 36, you've got the 50-day moving average as well. Still decreasing every day. I think at the moment it's at 34,860. Above that, I'm seeing heavier and heavier resistance build around the 40K mark. Just because when you look at it, if prices do start to rally, I reckon it would take a couple of weeks to reach that level at least. And round about here, you're seeing a major resistance coming through, made by those two previous tops. And you've also got that 111-day moving average calming down, which is an area which historically, again, after an initial correction when prices have rallied, that's where you see the first kind of level of resistance to stop prices going higher. So this is kind of the big area of resistance that I'm looking at. That's it from the desk this morning. Have a good week, and we'll be back tomorrow with another update.